Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can get notified when people join or leave share albums on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, or in the app screen, open up the Gallery app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom. Then tap on Settings. In the Gallery settings, scroll down, and then tap on Share Album Notifications. Now at the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. After that, go down to Member Updates, and then tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off notifications when people join or leave share albums. And that's it. So now I'm going to leave it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your gallery, or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.